Let's shift our focus to the other, well, I can't call it a war since it's going to be happening in Ahmedabad at a cricket field, but that's something that we are looking forward to, the biggest cricketing spectacle of the year. India will be taking on New Zealand in Ahmedabad today at 7 o'clock. This is the T20 World Cup final. Can the men in blue finally break the New Zealand jinx and script history with a third T20 World Cup title? All of us are keeping our fingers crossed. I'm fairly certain that Karishma, who's tracking the match in Ahmedabad, is doing the same, and as are all the fans who have gathered there. Karishma, over to you. Hi.
Well, yes, absolutely, Shreya. It's about 5.5 hours to go before the match, but this is the Narendra Modi Stadium right now where people are cheering for the Indian team. You can see them all excited for this big match. They're already in high spirits with this match. The jerseys are here, the caps are here, the tattoos are here, and you can just see them, waving the flag as well. That's how excited they are for this particular match. Let's also speak to them. What would you want to say about the match today? What do you think is going to happen?
Today, Abhishek Sharma is going to make a strong comeback. A long due from him. Abhishek Sharma is going for a century today.
Saving the best for the last?
Yeah, saving the best for the finals.
What are you saying, sir?
Player of the tournament, Samson. Sanju Samson.
Will he score runs today?
100. Century.
He has a tattoo and he has pictures here of Australian cricketers. Brett Lee fan, well, yes, very, very nice. But let's also talk to more fans. So what is your message to the Indian team? What would you want to see? I see the flags, I see the jerseys.
Right. I'm coming all the way from Minneapolis, USA, to watch this match. Last time I missed the match or finals. This is a big opportunity to fulfill the dreams of $1 billion.
Yes.
1 billion people here. We are here to support India. India जीतेगा आज. अभिषेक खेलेगा, संजू सैमसन खेलेगा, सब खेलेंगे. बुमराह का होम ग्राउंड है ये. आज हमको जीतना ही जीतने का है.
सर पटेल हमारे वाइस कैप्टन का भी होम ग्राउंड है.
Amazing catches, semi-finals में.
नडियाड, बड़ौदा, अहमदाबाद, तीनों की ट्रेन चलेगी आज.
It's the home ground of all our 12 players who are going to play here. So we have to support each and every one of them here.
And how's the support going to be inside? Just give us a glimpse of that.
No, we heard Wankhede had a blast in semi-finals, so Motera is going to have a equal fun. So we are all supporting, and you'll hear us. Yeah.
Let us hear you right now. Are there for the Indian team. It's not even 2 o'clock, it's 1:30 in the afternoon, and Ahmedabad, the outside of Narendra Modi Stadium, is already blue. Security deployment already in place. And Shreya, let me tell you, the gates only open at 3:30, but the fans are already here. They can't wait to get inside and start supporting Team India. I'm seeing a lot of Hardik jerseys here. I'm seeing Virat jerseys, of course, wherever we go. What would you want to say? You're wearing a Virat Kohli jersey. कोई मैसेज है टीम के लिए?
ऐसा आज तो जीतेगा इंडिया. अभिषेक शर्मा जो होगा वो आज काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा. आज वो ही चलेगा. बाकी बुमराह, हार्दिक ये तो सब चल ही रहेंगे.
A lot of expectations from Abhishek Sharma. I think you're wearing a Hardik jersey, so your favorite player is Hardik?
Yeah, he is a more aggressive, more active and more sensitive person. But he will pay more. He will contribute both in batting and bowling.
Hardik will be very important, the clutch all-rounder as we call him. So Shreya, Ahmedabad is ready to support Team India and go all out with their chanting, with their slogans as they take on New Zealand right here at 7 p.m. today.
Karishma, I love black as a color, but today it's not the black caps that are winning. Today it's blue. It's the day for blue. Thank you very much. We'll keep coming back to you. Thanks for getting us the voices of fans who are already there. It's not even 2 o'clock. The match starts at 7, but they're all outside the stadium. Tells you the sort of josh that is going to be that's going to envelop the team as they walk into the stadium. So all the very best to Team India. We are, of course, all rooting for them. A quick break. News and updates continue. Do stay with us.